Yeah, just hit it all the time.
Fly, leave me alone.
You don't know what looks good or not.
No, it looks good. So put it on this side right here. And just go back and forth a little bit. Do a little sawing motion on this side. Yeah, just like that. Put it flat though. There you go. Perfect.
Okay. And the cut.
Yeah. So hang on a second. Lean it towards the middle. There you go, just like that. And just have it in there a little bit less. There you go.
Good.
It's because of the sun. Go a little farther out on it.